Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I make a super easy and delicious macaroni and ham cold salad. In case you guys want to know how to make this recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so first we're going to start by grabbing our pot. We're going to fill it up halfway with water. Into our water we're going to add 1 onion, 2 bay leaves, and salt. And we're just going to bring it to a boil. Okay, so once the water comes to a boil, we're going to add 8 ounces of elbow pasta. And we're going to cook them for about 7 minutes. Make sure that you stir occasionally. Okay, so after 7 minutes, our macaroni is cooked. So now we're just going to drain the water. Okay, so once our elbow pasta has cooled down, make sure that you remove the onion and bay leaves. And now we're going to transfer into a bowl. To our bowl, we're also going to add 1 can of corn, 1 can of sweet peas, 4 celery sticks, shredded carrots, 1 cup of shredded lettuce, 1 bell pepper, pickled jalapeños, and green onion. And of course, if you don't want to add something, you don't have to add it. You can make it to your liking. Okay, we're going to add 1 cup of mayo, 1 cup of crema mexicana. We're also going to add pickled jalapeno juice. And that's all to taste. And the star of the show, some ham. I have 18 ounces. And just make sure that you chop it to your liking. And we're going to season it with garlic salt, black pepper, and regular salt. Okay, so now we're just going to mix everything together until everything is nice and combined. And of course, if you don't like ham, you can add tuna or shredded chicken. So there's options. Okay, so once everything is nice and mixed, try it for salt and see if you want to add any more. Just going to add a little bit of garlic salt. And just mix it again. Alrighty, and just like that, we have our delicious macaroni and ham salad. So now we're just going to cover it and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. Alrighty guys, so after 30 minutes, we are now ready for the fun part, serving. So I'm going to be serving my salad on top of a lettuce leaf. Of course, you know this salad is perfect to serve with your carne asada, your chicken, whatever it is. But today we're just going to enjoy it by itself along with some crackers. So just grab your crackers. And because I love my jalapeños. And just like that, we are now ready to enjoy our delicious macaroni and ham cold salad. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this salad is seriously perfect for your potlucks, your family gatherings. You know, in case you don't know what to bring to your next party, you can take this. It's seriously super easy to make and everybody will enjoy it. Like I said, you can add whatever ingredients you want, and if you don't like ham, you can substitute for turkey, chicken, or even tuna. You can add potatoes, you can add literally anything. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. So let me grab it. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, it's super delicious. It's so refreshing. It's crunchy. It's the best. Can never go wrong with the macaroni cold salad. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make a delicious macaroni and ham cold salad. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.